on Shelley's Cadillac. Got our fitting in here, all our fuel lines done. We're gonna use this piece of tube here, get rid of this filter, and just run our hose from here up to here. Probably gonna end up remaking this actually, because I'm not liking it. Anyway, get that handled, get that done. Have our alternator mounted. It's all in. It's completely in the stock location of the generator. All I did is flip around the generator mount. And boom, perfection, boys and girls. So it's in, ready to go. So we got that done. Right. Got our plug wires in, valve covers all tightened down over here. Wires, cap and rotor, our coils mounted, wired up. All of our fuel lines are done. Our alternator's in. We are ready to fire this baby up. We got up and running. So we got it running. Happy, runs good, sounds really nice. It's good to go. One thing I did notice though, other than that's upside down, that doesn't matter right now. When you hit the brakes, it idles up for a second. That's telling me that brake booster or the check valve is bad. I'm assuming it's the check valve. If that's the case, I'm going to try to find one local. So here's the check valve. I can suck on that side. Can't blow in it. I can blow on that side. Can't suck through it. So you want your suck towards the engine. Suck towards the engine. So you just saw me check the check valve and it seems to be good. I made sure I put the suck side towards the motor, which is what we want. So we're gonna fire it up. Thing's gonna need a brake booster. Okay, so put brake fluid in, and we still have no brakes at all.